What is the Fed going to do tomorrow? We had a meeting today and tomorrow, and they're sitting around and they're going to discuss what the fate of the interest rates are and what they're going to do. Well, I got something to say. All right? Doesn't matter what they're going to do. It's such a show, and it's, for me, it has zero impact on my thesis and my investments because I know what's going on. I just back up and just simplify things as much as possible. We are in a major, major debt bubble. And debt, right, has an interest rate. Now, if you put the interest rates up, everybody goes bankrupt. You can talk about personal. You can talk about corporate. You can talk about governments. You can talk about the Fed. You can talk about whatever. Everybody's in debt. Almost everybody. If you're not in debt, you're out of the norm, right? I mean, we look at this. Look at this below. United States, 31 trillion, 121% of GDP. United Kingdom, $8.7 trillion, 273% of GDP. France, 7 trillion. Germany, 6 trillion. Japan, 4 trillion. China, 2 trillion. Italy, 2 trillion. And look at the GDP, percent of GDP. It's crazy, right? Insane. And China, you can't really believe all their numbers. So, I mean, the whole world is in a massive debt bubble, right? They just saved everybody in 2020 and printed a whole bunch of money to save the system, right? Now they're paying the price. We got inflation, fine, right? Now they're trying to control it, they're going to change the numbers in inflation, and the inflation's not even real. It's what a show, right? So don't bother with it. Don't even watch it. The headline's going to come out. If they do 50%, 25%, markets are going to go wild. But sit back, relax, figure out what you want to be invested in, and believe in your thesis, believe in what you're in. We are in the biggest, this is a fact. There's debt everywhere. There's no way they can keep interest rates very high, very long, unless they want to crash the system. And if they do, then they will. And then having physical wealth in that scenario is a very good thing to have as well. So it's a win-win. Don't worry about it. They can do quantitative easing. They can do yield curve control. They can do money printing. They can do bonds. Whatever. They're going to buy debt, buy bonds, buy stocks, buy whatever. They're going to trade internally, make a ton of money internally by whenever they decide. They're all going to know when they switch it. They're going to buy stocks on the side and make their husbands and their wives, and everything's going to make money. Everybody's going to make money. So anyway, it's just my little thought on the Fed and the big show they're putting on. It's a bunch of crap, in my opinion, and I'm not focusing on it. I try not to follow it too much, and I would encourage you to do so. And spend time working, educating yourself, working on your plan, your exit strategy, what you're going to do, how you're going to move your assets around when you get to the right ratios between each asset, and go from there. That's my take, just my opinion. Thanks. Bye.